On behalf of GLOJAS Clinic, I would like to wish all Malaysians a happy Diwali.
Sat Sri Akal and Wanikam. Wishing all Malaysians and our esteemed GLOJAS customers a vibrant and joyful Diwali. Your incredible support for GLOJAS Clinic means the world to us. May the festival of lights fill your lives with happiness, prosperity, and endless blessings.
May every spark light happiness in your life. Happy Diwali to you and yours.
Hi, I'm Dr. Muhammad Ali from GLOJAS Specialist Clinic, wishing all Malaysians Happy Diwali. May the festive of light bring you joy and happiness.
The Festival of Lights is indeed a beautiful time to celebrate with your loved ones. Wishing you a blessed, healthy, and prosperous Diwali.
Dear Deepavali Nalvartikal, I wish to those who are celebrating it, have a prosperous and a joyful one.
Sending you a burst of love this Diwali. Let's fill our homes with happiness and our hearts with love. Happy Diwali.
Dear Deepavali Nalvartikal, may you be surrounded with love, light and happiness. Happy Deepavali.
Salam Satu Malaysia to everyone. Deepavali is a time to celebrate the victory of light over darkness and the goodness within all of us. I would like to wish everyone Happy Deepavali.